Good morning children and welcome to your maths class. My name is Garima and today we'll do unit 2 pages 15 to 18 in your maths book. So you can might as well take out your maths book and do along with ma'am, or you can see the presentation first and then later on you can do it in your maths book. So let's get started. Page number 15 of your maths book says recognition of numbers 1 to 9. In our previous class, we revised numbers 1 to 9 and we saw how we count the objects and along with based on the quantity we write the number. If there is one object, we write 1. If there are 2, we write 2 and so on. Here in this page, what we have to do, the instruction says count the objects and encircle the correct number. First example is given, it's been done for you. Look at how many dice are given. There are 7 dice. That is why the number 7 has been encircled. Encircled means making a circle around it. We have to do the rest. Let's count the party hats. How many party hats we have here? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 party hats. So which number are we going to encircle here? We will encircle number 5, right? How many books do you see? There are only 3 books. So we will encircle number 3. How many buses do we have? Oh, we have only 1 bus. So we will encircle number 1. Similarly, you will do the rest of them. And you will check your solution from the solution pages that I will send you. I will not do all of them for you because I want you to try doing it on your own. We move on to the next page and it has the same kind of questions. You see 2 flower vases, so you have to encircle number 2. Let me do it for you. And you see 3 cute little rabbits, 1, 2 and 3. So we encircle number 3. Similarly, you will do the rest of them. Let's move on to the next page and see what's there. Okay, here the instruction says encircle the objects. The number tells you how many. What we have to do is we have to encircle some objects, but how many objects do we have to encircle? The number tells us. Like first example has been done for us. It says 4. So we have to encircle only 4 kites. Although we see there are 5 kites in total, but we have to encircle only 4 kites. Similarly, we'll do the next. The number says 5, right? So we are going to encircle only 5 strawberries, no more and no less. So we count 5 and we encircle 5 strawberries. Similarly, we see here, we move on to the next one. It says number 2. So we encircle only 2 juices. Okay, right here. No more, no less. Although there are 3 juices, but we encircle only 2. So rest of them you are going to do on your own. I know you're very smart. You'll be able to do it very, very quickly. Move on to the next page. Page number 18 says, count and color the collection which has less objects. What is less and what is more? We have discussed it before. Less, we talk about a quantity when it is less in number. In comparison to some other quantity, it is less in number. So how do we know if something is less or more? We count it. We use numbers. So we count the number of balls and we count the number of bats. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here we will write number 4. I think that's a better way to do it. And how many bats are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 bats. So we will write number 6. So which collection has less objects? The balls are less or the bats are less? The balls are less because 4 is less than 6. So we'll color the balls. Okay, you can nicely color them. You can make them colorful. Ma'am has just colored it like this. Next, move on. We see some birds in one collection and in another collection we see some rats. So which collection is less? Although we can see, but we will not rely on what we see. We have to count and write also. Okay. So we count the birds. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds and we write it. Okay. And there are 1, 2 and 3 rats. So we write it right here. Okay. So which collection is less? Now we know very well that 3 is less than 5. So we are going to color only the rats. We will not color the birds. Similarly, based on this understanding, you are going to do the rest of it and you're going to have fun learning. Slowly do it, slowly understand, and please watch the video at least 2 times to understand. Read the instructions yourself. Even if you do it very, very slowly, please read the instructions yourself and then try to understand. Have fun learning and thank you so much. Bye-bye.